Hello everybody. Today I'm going to show you how to replace this hinge right here on a 2017 Buick Enclave. So the story was a customer came into the shop and he fully extended his driver's side door, and it's really hard to close the door. And the first initial um, inspection, I noticed the one of the hinge is kind of worn out, especially the bottom one. So that's why he had a hard time to close the door. So as you can see right there, there are um, 5 bolt on the bottom hinge, and is there are 2 bolt on the top. Then you have a connector, electric connector, that is pretty really easy to disconnect, so you don't have to fight pretty much or hanging the door on the side. So it's really easy. I think this is the most easy door hinge I have not replaced, because all the other one is kind of difficult. Alright, so if we be able to do it, and I'm going to show you, it's pretty simple, 3 basic steps you can replace this door hinge right here, and that's it. And see how the things is gonna come out. And so this one is the first part of my video right here, and the second part is gonna come later on. Alright, so sit back and enjoy the video right here, and I will show you how to replace this one step by step. It's really simple. So alright, here we go. Okay, so first what you want to do is let me explain this a little bit before why are we replacing this one. And as you can see right there, the little round thingy, little hinge right there, or the pin, is fully worn out, because when you fully extended the door, and it's really hard to close the door. So first thing first you want to do is you want to disconnect that connector right there, or the electrical connector. So there is a pin right there, little pin, as you can see. So you push forward. Once you push forward, then you're gonna pull down the tab from the top. So you push forward on the little tab right there. Then you're gonna push down the lever on that connector. See, as you push down, as it's kind of hard to demonstrate while I am holding the camera, and at the same time I need to use my both hands. So as you can see right there, so I push the pin down, then all you have to do, just from the top, just pull that clip down. Once down, then it's just pull right out. So that is the most easiest connector, door connector ever. So way to go, Chevy. So they did a really good fine job for that design right there. I have to give them an A plus for that one, because all the other one you have to either go from inside the left side kick panel, or you have to go inside the door remove all the trim from the door, then be able to access those connector and disconnect all the wire. It's just a hassle, so must give them an A for that one. And as you can see right there, I a little bit struggling, struggle. I'm trying to figure out, am I holding the right part or not? So, which I am. It's is on a left side bottom, so the driver side bottom. So the first initial, I was thinking that must be on the right side. I know, so I came over to the right side and compared that thing, the new hinge to the right side hinge. There's no way it's not even a match. So always, that's a good tip for you guys. So make sure when you have a new parts in your hand and you have your old part, just make sure you compare them and see if they totally match up or not. So in this case, I have the latch. It is right. So all you have to do is just push that latch back, then it's exactly matched to the previous one. So always check the parts in your hand before replacing it. It doesn't matter if you double check, triple check, or even you check like a fourth time. It's a good idea. So just make sure you can check like more than 5 times if you want it. So it depends. I always check, triple check and quadruple check, so just making sure. And if you have a hoist like this one, it's really useful. So the problem thing is, I had a hard time to level this thing out because it's not even, the two arm is not even level. I tried 2 wooden block, and as you can see right there, one is higher than the other one. It's like half an inch or even 3/4 of an inch differences. So here I am staring at it and try to figure out something so to make it match. So went to a cart, grab a piece of urethane, I say, maybe rubber. So place it right there. Just try to making the things match up. So if for you guys do this job at home, I recommend 2-person and a jack stand or a jack. So I prefer a jack and a jack stand. Just support that door right there, and you will need another person to help you out. You can do it by yourself, but I do not recommend you do it by yourself because the door might fall, then scratch and all thing, and you might hurt yourself because you holding the door. I think that door weighs about 50 pounds or even more. So just ask for the assistant. So save you your back and damaging the customer door right there. So I'm gonna speed this thing up, and this one has, as you can see right there, I removed the two top bolt on the hinge. So I need to speed this thing up. It's kind of boring, and removing bolts, so you know how to remove it, right? So that one, that is the easiest one. That is the top one. So the bottom one, I have to remove that bolt right there. Not even removable, not even fully remove out. You just remove around 3/4 of a length of that bolt, then the bolt, the on the bottom bolt, and it's eventually gonna come out. You just want to buy some room. That's it. So sometimes it's really nice to have a ratcheting wrench. The size is 10 millimeter. And I broke my 10 millimeter wrench, a ratcheting one, so I have to use the quarter ratchet. It's kind of tedious, and it will work. So this one I have the ratcheting wrench right there. A stubby worked just fine, and that is a long one right there, a long wrench. Alright, I believe all the bolts are, nope, not yet. So if I remember right, that on the side of the door, it has 2 bolts holding that door on, and 2 bolts from the bottom and 2 bolts from the top hinge and bottom hinge. So the only thing you not to worry about is the bolt on the door is self-centering. Just remove it, and you don't have to mark it. So that's a good thing right there. So, and in part 2, I will show you how to make a mark on that latch. On that hinge. I don't know why I keep saying latch. Alright, so making sure you have your assistant with you. Make sure you guys have a good communication, because if you don't have any good communication with your assistant, it's creates some really bad action, I should say. So you have to direct him what you want to do and where you want to move and where you want to go. So it's really easy to mess up. Alright, so as I am, I instruct my assistant to lead first, then I'll lead after. And that door is kind of heavy. You can lift that. It's only 50 pounds, but it's kind of hard for you to do it by yourself, because there's no good grip on it. The only grip is the door handle inside. All the other grip is kind of non-existent. And there it is. Once you have the door open, removed, then you can access to the bottom hinge right there. Alright guys, so that is it. And making sure if you want to learn something new and maintain your vehicle and prolong your vehicle, and I have a master class that I will show you how to prolong and maintain your vehicle. The link is down in the description, and I also have some free stuff for you guys to download too, so the link also in the description. And I will see you next time in part 2. And while you're at this, you can watch this video next, and it's on your upper right corner. Alright guys, so that's it, and Luke is out. I will see you next time. Alright.